Phoenix App is a cryptocurrency exchange, primarily known for its built-in automated trading boots. We're going to look at it, how it works, and we're going to discuss a few of the core features that you find in this app. Now, one of the things that I can say is it has 16 free trading boots, and the app provides a variety of automated tools, including the grid trading boot, which buys low and sells high. Okay. There's an exchange native experience, unlike other boot platforms that require complex API connections to external exchanges. Phoenix has these boots integrated directly into its own trading environment, as we're going to see. Okay. It has low trading fees. It charges like a competitive trading fee of just 0.05%. Yes, not even 0.1, but 0.05%. And the users can trade more than 250 different coins, including the major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. They do also have an integrated Visa MasterCard that allows for global payments, cashback rewards, okay, and one-click bidding to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Okay. Now, app looks like this. Down here we have the dashboard. That's the Phoenix dashboard. We have the markets, we have the boat. So we're going to go through each section to kind of see what really every section what it means. So this is your main dashboard for quick actions and markets overview. Identification. This is a prominent prompt that reminds users that identify verification. Now, there's a prompt which I've just crossed. If you kind of knew, actually it's here. You have to first do the identity verification. The reason being this is urgent is, in fact, there are some countries which are not supported. They do have a list of countries where they tell you like you kind of like you can't use their service. Okay. There are kind of several, so it's important to know your list. If your list is here, just know you can't use the platform. Though for countries like okay, let me see. I think I saw. Let me see. Okay. So there are multiple countries which are not allowed on this platform. So it's important to check the list. Okay. Do verification before you use this platform, because it will be useless to use this platform before you get money, yet actually going to be rejected. Okay. So there are quick access icons which include shortcuts to follows, deposits, customer support, and Phoenix card. You can see them here. Follow, deposit, support, the Phoenix card. Let me click on the Phoenix card here. Okay. You can apply. So all that you can really do it from the dashboard. Okay. Promotions usually do some of the promotions. You can easily sometimes get those promotions there. There's trading assets, a quick view list showing price performance for different categories like cryptocurrency, stock tokens, and precious metal tokens. So you can see some trading assets there. So going to the market section, this section serves as a data hub for tracking various trading pairs. Okay. So let me click on, okay. All right, I think my markets is kind of jamming. All right, so let me just restart the app. Let me just open it up fresh. So under the market section, you can access assets. Okay, I think it's kind of loading. Okay. So under the market section, you can access asset categories. You can filter market data by picks, futures, spot, real world assets, and ranks. Okay. So this is more of a data hub for tracking various trading pairs. Okay. You can also see popular pairs. Okay, these are popular pairs. The popular pair displays this way it displays the major trading pairs for both spot and futures markets. Okay. Then there's a favorites. You can add the favorites. A dedicated button that allows you to add specific pairs to a custom watch list for easier tracking. There's a boot section. Under the boot section, this is a core feature of the app focused on automated trading. Okay, I think this is where most people actually really want to head to. So it has a boot. So the A they create leads you to a library of 16 free trading bots. Okay, while the ranks and the lead, okay, these two help you see which strategies or traders are performing best. Okay, then the active bots display. Okay, so I haven't really have any credit so this will show a list of your currently running bots. If they're not active, then create a bot button is provided to help you get started. So that's why actually here I have the create, okay, because it's new, something like that. So that is it about the bot section. Then we go to the trade section. So this is a manual execution interface for active trading. Okay, so okay. So the order book displays real-time buy green, sell is red, orders for the selected pair. Okay. So here you find also the execution panel, allows you to set open and close positions using the market or limit orders. There's risk management, includes a checkbox for TP and SL, that is take profit or stop loss. Okay. So I don't have assets here. There's a deposit, there's a demo trading. So there's a button here at the bottom. It allows users to practice trading with virtual funds before committing real assets. So it's here. So this app has a demo trading. Okay. Okay, so that's what I can say about this. There's also the wallet section. This manages your funds and passive income products. You can view your total balance in USDT along with your 24-hour and accumulated profits. Okay, so for now I'm at 0. So you can navigate through different earning strategies such as the arbitrage, the structured earning, and staking. Okay, so these are kind of more financial products. Okay, so that is generally what you should expect within the Phoenix trading boot. But looking at the reviews, it has some great reviews, by the way. Okay. Though there are some complaints about the app freezing people's accounts. Froze my account for 30 days over 200 deposit marked as unusual activity. Provide all the documents. Support now silent. Can't even get back what I put in. Definitely the best trading app I've used. So they're kind of mixed reviews when it comes to this platform. Stop trading. Okay. Browser freezes and prices are delayed at least 30 seconds connected to. But they lack metrics in terms of security. Doesn't mean they have a compiler. I'm talking in terms of one managing the shares that affects him. For example, for the past getting into 70, I've not been able to log into my account for it still in place and intact. It's my favorite crypto app, wonderful exchange. Okay. Minor few But like display notification profile, I've sent that to request, but okay. The app doesn't have stop loss orders, and it's real trading charts. Okay, but we have actually seen it somewhere. All right. So generally, some of these depend on personal challenges, and but what I can say, it's kind of rigid. But as I've said, try to make sure like you are among the countries which are supported by them. Otherwise, I think it will be hard to pull your money if you didn't read their terms and conditions. Okay. See you in the next video, and bye bye.